Hello children, welcome to Maths online class. I hope students you all are doing good at home. So let us continue our class. Today we are going to do mental maths from page number 46. Okay children, so we will be writing in the textbook itself. Okay, so take out children, please take out page number 48. Take your pencils and erasers as well. So this is the question. I hope children you got the page number. So it is very simple as we are doing this all these days. So only you have to do these sums. Okay, 10 minus 5 will be how much? 9 minus 0 will be how much? 10 minus 4 will be how much? Okay, 7 minus 7, then here it is 8 minus 8, 6 minus 0, 8 minus 1, 10 minus 3, 6 minus 1. Okay, so it is very easy. So let us start. I am not going to discuss so many things here because we have already learned it from the last more than 1 week I think. So 10 minus 5 will be how much children? Yes, it will be 5. Now 9 minus 0 is, so obviously it is 9, because if you minus 0 from a number it will remain the same. So 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is how much? Yes, it is 6. Children, mental maths means, you know what is mental maths? Before doing the next sum, mental maths means you have to do it fast. Okay, without any calculations. You have to do the calculations mentally. No writing, no counting. Understand? So no need to count here because by this time you are very expert with the chapter. You have already finished and you have done the revision also. So now it is easy for you. Now 7 minus 7 will be how much? Any number minus the same number is 0. The same rule applies here also, isn't it? Now 6 minus 0 will be 6. Right children? 8 minus 1 will be how much? 7. When you give 1 to somebody, 1 will be reduced, isn't it? 10 minus 3 will be 7. And 6 minus 1 will be how much? 5. Okay. Now let us go to the revision part of the chapter. Okay. So that is also very simple. Options are given. Number 1, revision number, question number 1 is tick the correct answers. So it is very easy. 7 minus 5 is equal to, what are the options given? 2, 4 and 6. Which is the correct option children? Yes, it is 2, isn't it? Now 6 minus 2 is, 6 minus 2 will be how much? The options are given 4, 5 and 1. So which is the correct one? Yes, the correct answer is 4. Right? Okay. Now number C, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 will be how much? Options are 5, 3 and 4. Which is the correct answer? 3 is the correct answer. Right children? Then number D, 9 minus 2. Options, what are the options? 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 7. Right? Okay. Now number E, 8 minus 6 is equal to, 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? Options are given 1, 2 and 3. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 2. This is the correct answer, isn't it? So let us write the answers now. No need to write, we have to tick, isn't it? 7 minus 5 is 2. Let us tick it. Children, do it with me. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now again 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7, as we have already discussed. 8 minus 6 is 2. Alright children, I hope there is no doubts in that. You are easily able to do this, isn't it? Now let us do one more questions from the revision, that is number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Use the number strip and subtract. This one also is very easy, subtraction only, but you have to use the method of number strip. Okay. So here what is the number given? 6 minus 4. Where is 6? If minus means, do you remember what you have to do? You have to go backwards, or you can say you have to go towards the left. If addition, then you have to go towards the right, or you have to do what? You have to do? You have to go forward. Okay. So now 6 minus 4 will be 6. 4 means 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 2. Right? In the same way, 5 minus 3. This is 5 minus 3 means 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 2. Right children? Now in the same way, 9 minus 7. 9, 7 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is also 2. See, consecutively we are getting here answers as 2, 2, 2, isn't it? These 3 are 2 only. Now 8 minus 4. 8, 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 will be 4. Okay. In the same way, 3 minus 1. Where is 3 children? This is 3 minus 1. So it will be 2. So 2 will be the answer here. Right. Now 6 minus 2. 6, then 2 steps backwards. 1 step, 2 steps. So what is the answer here? The answer is, very good, it is 4. Okay. Now 9 minus 8. So how many steps we have to go backwards children? Yes, you have to go 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 9 minus 8 is how much? 9 minus 8 is 1. So we are going to write here 1. Okay. Now 7 minus 3 is how many steps? We have to go backward. 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be, yes, the answer is 4. Very good children. Now we are going to write. Okay. So as we know, 6 minus 4 is 2. This one also 2 we have discussed. No, these first 3 questions are 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 7 is also 2. Now 8 minus 4. Do you remember what I have shown on the number strip? It is 4. 3 minus 1 is again 2 we are getting here. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 7 minus 3 is how much children? 7 minus 3 is how much? 7 minus 3 is 4. Right? So we are writing here also 4. Okay children. So we have done question number mental maths. Today we have done mental maths, and from let's revise we have done number 1 and number 2. Okay. So the remaining questions we'll be doing tomorrow, and you have to write all these things in the textbook itself. No need to go for your copy. Okay children. So let me stop here for today. So have a nice day. Thank you so much kids. Have a nice day.